Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to clean out your hot point inverter motor 90-gram washing machine. So I do actually need it in less than an hour, so well actually just over an hour actually, so I got nothing in there. We gotta get the Dettol antibacterial washing machine cleaner 5-in-1 into the machine. We'll use the mix program on the rapid option for just an hour and start it, and then off it goes. So let's get it loaded up. So for the dosage we're going to be using, or that I'm going to be using actually, is I'm going to be using the rest of the third of this bottle right here. So I'll set the washing machine going, and it'll be more effective that way. So let's get that going. And I'll be pouring it into this one here. So it's just going through the pre-wash compartment. Just get that fired up. It won't be a sec. I think it's only got to go through the pre-wash anyway, so might as well pour it in now. There we go. Drop that in. Oh, I should have actually put into that one now. Well, don't worry. It's just got to be a cleaning cycle, so when it does the rinses, the washing machine cleaner will go through that one, and so yeah, not a very good start, I don't think. So I'll see you in the next video, I think. Have a good one, and bye for now.